going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another Christmas cocktail. And today's Christmas cocktail is the Grinch Punch, and I will show you how to make the punch equivalent of it. So get your punch bowl and punch some eyes, fill it about halfway. Because I know it asks for Kool-Aid, which we don't really have in the UK, so I'm going to make mine extra boozy. So first, we'll get our waters, because it won't be that boozy, but it will be boozy. So instead of Kool-Aid, to get the green colour, I'm going to use Midori. So what you want to do is pour in 60ml or 2 ounces of Midori. Right, next we've got to pour in about 120ml or 4 ounces of Sprite, which is basically lemon and lime soda. Next is 4 ounces of ginger ale, which is 120ml. Next is 2 ounces or 60ml of vodka. I said it'd be boozy. And last but not least, 4 ounces or 120ml of pineapple juice. There we go. Simple as that. There is our Grinch Punch extra boozy. We don't need a glass on this channel. Let's drink it straight up from the bowl. It's Christmas. Cheers, lads. Ah, very satisfying. Certainly compliments it, because it's quite nice as well. Because it's not overpowering with the booze, it's not overpowering, that's what I will say, it's a nice balance. But that is the extra boozy version. Normally it should have Kool-Aid with it, that substitutes for the Midori.
Kool-Aid version coming next year.
Yeah, so America, I'm coming for you.
If I can get to America next year, I'll get you some.
Yeah, Kool-Aid. Just something we don't have in the UK. But oh well, that is my Grinch Punch, my version of it, the extra boozy version. Because I would put in a load of glasses like that, that's how I normally do it. But that's the Grinch Punch, because I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a Merry Christmas, and don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, as I will do one more Christmas cocktail. And I will see you in the next Christmas cocktail. Cheers.